All right, just a short, little, tiny video tonight, guys. We're handheld. We're doing some improvements to the workbench area. That was just bare brown drywall, not even white drywall. We're doing a little painting. We're going to do an organizational system here. We'll post about that. But look at this. Yes, Poland delivers. I'm sorry, Germany. Your post office is trash now. That package is still sitting in Frankfurt at the Fluffenhagen. King Tiger Porsche turret. Look at it. Oh, look at this beauty. I had no idea it came with molded pieces. Look at all these beautiful resin Zimmerit bits. Lovely. Lovely. And, all right. Well, yeah, we got our, that's just our, really we're just using this as primer. We're going to do a cooler color in the back here. We're going to do something a little more, like, you know, I would say manly, but my wife loves the color also. Come on. There we go. A little more in line with, you know, the stuff we build. Look at this. Woof. Very thin. It just, you trim it out from, I guess it's kind of really super duper thin resin. The front glasses, and some of the side there. Here's a money shot. That's the Porsche turret side bits. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. We might have a problem. I already started gluing a bunch of stuff on the back. If you may remember, I've got the exhausts on already. Uh-oh. Well, we'll figure it out. We could actually just probably cut the piece into multiple pieces and fit it on. I don't know. Some more side armor. Look at that. Those are beauts. It's a beaut, Clark. She's a beaut. This ain't a beaut. This is a mess right now. But, oh, you wait till this is done. It's a surprise, okay? It's a surprise. But either way, we got our Zimmerit. ATAK. I'm not super happy with you. You used to distribute through Edo Armor in the States here, and then you stopped doing that. Just like Schumo Kits stopped distributing through Edo Armor, and we all have to go direct to Axel's Model Bow and ATAK. And you know what? It was okay before the shipping was high, but now with the global supply chain fiasco, these public mail packages generally fly on passenger jets. Apparently there's more people flying from Warsaw, Poland to JFK than there are from Frankfurt to JFK in New York, because the douche post can't get my stuff out of the airport. But now we can continue with the build. We're not roadblocked anymore by not having Zimmerit. We can start proper building, and those bearing supports, they're inconsequential to the build. We could always just take the sprockets and the tracks and the sprockets off, and you know, pop the transmissions out real quick and shoot them in there and a little paint, and they're done. Either way, short video tonight, 3 minutes and 16, well, 20, whatever. Goodbye. Adios. See you next time.